Okay, you guys, it's me, Tiffany Robin. I'm here in Ulta Beauty because they are having an amazing sale from March 28th until I think the April 5th. Okay, so you got to get in here and I'm going to share my basket of all my favorite stuff. They're having a 40% off sale. Like, it's amazing. So they have NYX, L'Oreal. Let me see if they have my favorite Rihanna on here. Mielle. I just love it. Oh, Touchland. Okay, that's my jam there. Okay, so you guys ready to do the shopping extravaganza for this sale? It's available online or in store. Okay, so I'll put all the info and the link in the bio. So let's go. Okay, first there is a free 9-piece gift set. Let's see what we get. Do we get all this stuff? Let's see. We get the lip gloss. Oh my God, a face primer, another lipstick. Oh, is that a mascara? A mascara, look at this palette, and a glow primer. Okay, I am loving it. They have one more pink. This is mine. This is mine. Okay, so I don't know whether this is on sale or not, but this is totally my jam. Okay, I love this. So let me get back here and get my Fenty mascara. Yay. Okay, and it's only $20. Look at that. $20. Okay, then I'm going to head on over here for my favorite foundation. So I wear Warm Golden 420. That's me. All right, let's get this. Oh my God, one more left. Get it now. Yes, let's go. Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Love it. This is a full coverage. It is so amazing on the skin. 420 Warm Golden. That's me. Thanks, Rihanna. I freaking love this foundation. I actually use it to work out and it doesn't bleed and it stays on. Love it. Okay, so this is my favorite eyebrow pencil. I actually like the black, okay, because it makes like the nice defined lines of your eyebrow. And there's a liquid one over here that actually, where is it? Okay, it's this one, Zero to Brow, but I like and it's waterproof, so I'm gonna really need that for my, what color is that? That's not my color. It has to be darker, otherwise it doesn't really show. I guess this is blonde. See, it has like, so no, we gotta find the right color. Let's find the right color. Okay, here it is, Zero to Brow. This one that you put on and it makes like a waterproof permanent color. Gotta love that, gotta love that. That is going in the bag. Okay, so my daughters in Milan and India actually turned me on to this NYX lip oil. They absolutely love it and I love it too. So I think I like the news feed. I like reds and my main and news feed. Now where are they? Oh, they don't have any more of my main. Oh, maybe they have it online. Okay, so then I'm gonna try this one. Let me let you guys, I can't try it on right now, but oh, this is kind of pinky. Okay, I kind of like that. Okay, so let me show if I can show you guys the tester, right? So this is the lip oil. Has a nice fat little wad there. And let me put it on my skin there. Ooh, that's pretty, so pretty. I could be wearing that right now, okay? And then they don't have my main, which if you like just sort of a regular, this fat lip right here, this is really good because if you want that shine, look how, you love the sound of that, right? See, it's just completely clear, but it lasts a long time and it's more like an oil. It's an oil. Okay, so online shopping, here we come. Get that. Okay, so these are also on sale with the NYX. This is the matte lip liner. I like the color, which is Downtown Beauty. Let me show it to you guys on my hand because you definitely want to have a lip oil because otherwise your lipstick bleeds, and you guys might have seen that happen to me in a video. Okay, fam, so listen, I have these two. You definitely want to get, this is the tester, this is the lip oil, the pencil. So look at that. So it gives that nice brown, so you can see how it matches with either one of these. It just kind of shapes your lip a little bit, real natural. You can put that on with a clear and just be super sexy at the mouth. Okay guys, so this is the Jumbo Glow, right? So you can use this on your eyes. Oof, is that beautiful or what? Oh my God. It just gives you that total bronzing effect. You can put it on your cheeks. Let me see, oh my God, let me just rub it a little bit. A little highlight right there. Oh. They're all over, you can use it everywhere. I know I shouldn't be doing this, but okay, I know you can't see it so much in this light. You know, they have this overhead lighting, but. And then you know what else you can do? Highlight under here, same pencil, same pencil. Yeah. Just picks up your eyelid a little bit. This is a definitely must have. Okay, so this is called the Jumbo Highlight. Jumbo Highlight and Glow. Putting that in the bag. Let's go. So I put this Urban Decay, I don't know if you can see it. I put some of the tester on my eyelids so you can see it. It's so freaking pretty. And I put some on my hand right now so you can see, compared to the other luminizer, which is more bronze, this is really gold. I don't know if you can really see that, but this is giving like shimmer everywhere. And as you spread it out, it gets thinner. It's gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my God. Is that pretty or what? Is that pretty or what? It's a little bit overstated. It's more mild if you see it in person, but this is just definitely a must-have. Urban Decay, and this is called Over the Top. Urban Decay, Over the Top. Let's go. Okay, so this is India's favorite skincare. It's called Drunk Elephant, and it's really good like for kids, and she's really into skincare. So if you guys want to get something that's like really nice, I recommend this Drunk Elephant lip kits to give it a try. It is so good for your skin, and I'm telling you, if you can put it on sensitive skin, you can put it on your skin. India uses it. Okay, so now we have the Mielle, which is also 30% off. I have to say though, you guys know I am a Camille Rose fan, and they are sold out of everything. What is going on? Love this Honey Hydrate, you guys. This is amazing. This Moisture Curl Love is really good, but they don't have my favorite here. I can't believe it. Oh my God. Okay, well, there's not some new things to try. We know Mielle is Black owned, so we want to support. I wouldn't go with all of the drama that we've heard, but try it out while it's on sale. Okay, so the L'Oreal is on sale. Look at this picture, okay? Here's this picture of, I don't know if you can see this, of the before and after of the Bond Repair. So because it's on sale, I'm definitely gonna try it. So it's Bond Repair and Oil Serum, and it's buy one, get one 50% off. Everything on here is sale. The Bond Strengthening Concentrate, pre-shampoo, okay? And Bond Repair Conditioner. Let me see, is this sulfate free? Or they have a pre-shampoo, shampoo, and conditioner. Okay, all this Bond Repair. I love it. I definitely want to try this oil. I think I'm going to get the oil. So it's buy one, get one 50% off. Probably one for me and one for Milan. Of course, you know how we moms do it. Okay, so just to recap my NYX bag, I have this pencil here. This is a mechanical liner with a retractor. This is for over the eye. I'm totally out of that, so I need more of that. And then I have my NYX Jumbo. We got to get that. The lip oils that we have. Oh wait, so then this is the pencil. They didn't have that at once, so I'm gonna try, what's this one called? It's called Club Hopper for a lip liner. And then Easy, this is the fat lip oil right here. This is the My Main. And this is for like that red thing that you can combine with the lip pencil. This is called New Speed. Okay, and then I think the last thing I got, where's my, oh there we go. Here's my brow gel. This is from Zero to Brow. And this has something that you can put like a liquid, and it actually is waterproof. It stays on. I absolutely love that. And you know I got my Jumbo thing. All right, so I think we're ready to rock and roll, you guys. We got it. We got everything we need. Head on over to my description box to get all the links. Okay, bye.